Tesla Model Y with Hardware 4 computer reportedly begins shipping. It appears that Tesla has commenced the delivery of the Model Y automobiles out of its Fremont, California factory, coming with the latest computer hardware of the company, as evidenced by pictures from two different Twitter accounts. What is more, the tweets from BLKMDL3 and KLWTTS show off several Model Y electric crossovers featuring the upgraded front-facing and the side-mounted cameras observed in the Model S and Model X vehicles in the past. It is obvious from the situation that some cars on the lot have still the earlier Hardware 3 computer, meaning that the company has not yet made the transition to HW4 for each article assembled. Back to February, to begin with, Model X SUVs with the FSD2 autopilot computer from Tesla were delivered in the United States. But there were some basic functions broken on the vehicle, according to a Reddit user who received it, which included the cruise control, the parking detectors, the autopilot, the navigate on autopilot, the FSD beta visualization preview, and the rear backup camera. The vehicle owner was waiting an appointment for services at that time of the original post, but updates are missing since then, leaving it to everyone's speculation whether the problems may have been solved or not. Furthermore, it is impossible to fit the modern self-driving computer to the cars of a former generation, due to the diverse structure of the unit as well as to the connection of the extra cameras and detectors. Elon Musk underlined that retrofitting the early models was not economically viable. The Hardware 4 is erected on the same Samsung Exynos scheme as before, though with higher power, owing to the increase in the CPU cores from 12 to 20 per side, capable of operating up to 2.35 GHz and with an idle speed of 1.37 GHz. At the same time, the system has better resolution cameras as well as a fresh Phoenix radar for the detection of objects further ahead. Initially, the Hardware 4 computer were meant to ship with the Cybertruck. However, the launch of the electric pickup has been postponed multiple times. Hence, its estimated release dates towards the end of the year. Source: reposted and summarized from Julian Nystrom at Inside EVS.